Mamas, we started in 2016 as a pepper company. So we were the first licensed cannery in this part of Ohio. So we started with hot peppers, peppers and sauce, pickled peppers, hot pepper mustards, everything pepper that you can jar. We did. So that's how our company started. Danny came in one day. Our kids were all going into kindergarten because we have kids around the same age. And we just started talking, and she was like, I love this place. Your kids are here, you know, and her kids came in. We started talking, hanging out. They started ordering hot peppers from us for the winery, and the collaboration, friendship just blossomed from there. So after we started with peppers, we went into like antipasta trays, and then charcuterie became a big thing in the last like 4 years. So I jumped on the charcuterie board, and our orders, we got crazy busy, and we started coming to Woodland Cellars, and after COVID hit our kitchen, we closed the kitchen down across the street, and we started working out of here to do charcuterie orders. And then when it happened that this location needed someone to come in and do the kitchen and the cooking, we decided to do that this past year. So our hot pepper mustard is probably our best seller as far as overall. So when you go to like Pittsburgh or Cleveland, peppers and oil aren't a big thing. Peppers and oil are not a big thing outside of Youngstown. Most people are like, what do you mean, peppers and oil? It's crazy. But our hot pepper mustard is probably our #1 seller because everyone likes mustard, and then we grind up the hot peppers in it. It's sweet, it has a good kick to it. It's good as a marinade, it's good on burgers, and it's the thing I can like sell all the time. They're not confused about it.
That's great. All right.
We did like a cross collaboration line that we called Two Hot Cellars. So Nate and Danny took peppers and infused it into a peach mead, and we sold out of that, a keg of that immediately. Like within a few days it was gone. And then Two Hot Mamas, we took their meat and infused it into peach jam. So again, we were sold out of that as well. I take pride just in the fact that it's from scratch. Anything we can make from scratch, we do. We try to incorporate products from both businesses in a lot of our dishes, as well as other companies or other small businesses. So our baker, she is from Trumbull County. She does all our desserts. We work a lot with the coffee shop over here. So we work with a lot of local farms. So not only, are we a local business, we try to support and collaborate with as many as we can.